Hey everyone, and welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're making something truly special. It's a cookie that's a little bit of everything you love. Chewy, chocolatey, and with that perfect punch of salty caramel. We're talking about my ultimate recipe for half and half double chip salted caramel cookies. Half milk chocolate, half dark chocolate, with salted caramel swirled throughout. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Softened butter, granulated and brown sugars, eggs, vanilla, flour, baking soda, salt, milk, and dark chocolate chips, salted caramel sauce, and flaky sea salt. Quick tip: your butter should be soft enough to leave a dent when pressed, but not melted. This is key for perfect texture. We'll start by creaming our butter and sugars together. Beat on medium speed for 2-3 minutes until light and fluffy. This incorporates air for that wonderful, soft cookie texture. Perfect. Now we'll add our eggs one at a time, then the vanilla extract. Mix well after each egg addition. Now for our dry ingredients. I've already whisked together the flour, baking soda, and salt in this bowl. Add the flour mixture slowly on low speed, just until incorporated. Don't overmix. We want tender cookies, not tough ones. Time for the star ingredients. Fold in both the milk chocolate and dark chocolate chips. Look at that beautiful contrast. And here's the magic. Drizzle in that salted caramel and gently swirl. We want distinct ribbons of caramel throughout the dough. Here's the secret to cookies that hold their shape. Chill the dough for at least 30 minutes. This prevents spreading in the oven. Scoop the chilled dough into balls, place them 2 inches apart, and sprinkle with flaky sea salt. This brings out that incredible salted caramel flavor. Into a 350-degree oven for 10-12 minutes until the edges are golden but centers are still soft. They'll continue cooking on the hot pan. And just like that, they're done. Look at these beauties. The perfect blend of chocolates with hints of caramel and that glistening salt on top. Look at that perfect soft center and those beautiful pockets of melted chocolate. You can see the caramel ribbons throughout. The flavor is absolutely out of this world. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's guaranteed to be a new favorite. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and happy baking.